Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Safir News Headlines. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. Due to power plants malfunctions power system across the country at 11:40 p.m. The whole country was plunged into darkness. It took hours to restore power, but some areas are still in darkness. Technical teams is working on power restrictions. Power has been provided to 70% areas in Lahore. The Ministry of Energy, Umar Ayub, has not been able to find out the reasons for the downfall. Shibli Fraz blames power breakdowns on previous government. No work has been done on power transmissions in the past, only the for power generation. As Iqbal says, the shutdown proved that the government is incompetent. Imran Khan tried to restart the power system badly, but this is a country, not a mobile phone, that will work by restarting. Maryam Aurangzeb said, breakdown, you didn't know Nawaz Sharif is responsible, you know that. In Zain Afandi case, the statements of victim's wife has been recorded. She told he was taken to another room and there was no animosities or quarrel with anyone who has sued. WhatsApp users warned that from February, WhatsApp data will be shared with third parties, especially on Facebook. Phone numbers, mobile models, photos, everyone will have to share locations, complete data, contact. WhatsApp will also be there. Prime Minister Imran Khan said these steps should be taken to welcome the taxpayers. He is a benefactor of country and the nation. 46 patients were died due to corona and 2,899 positive cases are reported in 24 hours. And the ratio of coronavirus is reached on 6.5%.